This might be one of the smartest scope mount upgrades I've seen in years, and I didn't expect that. Check out these new EraTAC scope mounts from Recknagel. If you are interested in a new scope mount, you should take a close look on this thing I found in Recknagel's booth here at the EVA show. It's the EraTAC T7 mount. What caught my eyes first was the hinge, but I realized there's much more into it than this. Please tell me, what's this new scope mount?
So first and foremost, as you might see, we did some special inlays here. And this is a metal foil which has diamond particles and which is giving you a far better grip here. And the basic idea is that you do not have to use and apply glue onto the mount, or that you have not to tape or a choke or whatever you used in the past. You get a far better grip, which means that you need less tightening forces here onto the rings, which is better for the tube of your scope. The other things what we changed is it got lightweight. It's up to 40% lighter than our own mounts and those of most of our competitors. We added new interfaces at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock and 45 degree, which give the user the opportunity to mount its accessoires wherever he wants, like a Picatinny rail or a red dot or whatever it shall be. Yeah. It exists in the standard issue, and then there's also a cantilever issue in 30 millimeter, 34 millimeter, and 36 millimeter. And the other feature is we now also added the opportunity that you go in here with this little piece, and then the scope always gets into the 90-degree position where it is supposed to be. Yeah, that can be really a pain to find exactly the one. It's just making your life a little bit easier. Yeah. I think it's really cool to see innovation in something I didn't think you can develop further. Thank you. So how is the availability of this product? When do you start to ship? The first models are available from now on. Yeah. So we are still producing them, but the first ones are available, but they are only available for the European market at the beginning. We do not export to the States at this current moment. That might change later in time. Yeah, but I'm really happy to have seen this, and if you want to learn more, I will put the homepage address here, so you can go to Recknagel's homepage and see further details. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. And you. Yeah.